Hey, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing Minive's 2026 Season's Greetings. The first thing I see are these cards. The members' birthdays are outlined with their character's head. Next, we have this notepad. All of your notes can be written down cutely. Next is this character sticker set. They're like these dress-up dolls. Shall I do one now? Look at her. Next is this diary. Next we have this disc calendar. Let's flip through. So this is how it looks. This is January. Let's look at the pictures on the back. February, and it has their birthdays on the other side. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Last but not least is this drawstring bag. You can hold some cute things in this pouch. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye.